Belen. Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Pampanga. Para sa video na to, nandito tayo ngayon sa O'Noodles Pampanga. This is located po sa may San Fernando, Pampanga. Malapit lamang siya sa may SM City downtown. From there, siguro mga 50 meters lang maglalakad. Pinaka-product po nila dito are stir-fry noodles. Although available yung kanilang mga rice bowls. But yung pinaka-produkto po nila na gustong makilala na sa atin is yung kanilang stir-fried noodles. What we have on our table, meron tayong teriyaki chicken and then the other one is pork teriyaki. Mga nakikita nyo po mga side dishes dito are actually can also be toppings. Yun, what is this? Sago? Start off, let's toast and drink for cool gulaman. Wow! It never fails! So let's squeeze this calamansi. Ayan. Ayun guys, you can actually dine in. You can take it out. So start natin. I wanna have this Japanese siomai. Ayan. You also have pork siomai. Ito yun. Oh wow. You know what? Yung sauce is very special. Now, additionally, you can have egg toppings katulad nito, which is actually my all-time favorite of all toppings. Egg, it never fails. I gotta commend, sarap nung pinaka stir-fry sauce natin. I don't know what they call it, pero ano siya, parang all-around sarsa, all-around sauce. Let's dip it dito sa toyo mansi plus malakasang chili sauce. Shanghai. Done with my first bowl. Grabe. I'm really liking it. Pagkakain pala kayo dito guys, when you dine here, katabing-katabi lang talaga sa ng daan. At ayun nga guys, this is gonna be the last. Look at this. If you're interested, check this out. Located po sila dito sa may Tiomic Street, San Fernando, Pampanga. It's just along SM City, San Fernando downtown. Gotta check them out for the price and what you will get. It's actually Sulit. Thanks so much for watching.